Hello student, today we discuss the acidity of dicarboxylic acid. What is the dicarboxylic acid? The organic compound or the acid compound which have the two carboxylic functional group. This is the general carboxylic functional group. The compound which have two carboxylic functional group generally known as the dicarboxylic acid, or the compound which on dissociation gives 2H plus ion are known as dicarboxylic acid. Consider example. This acetic acid have only one carboxylic functional group. This is the carboxylic functional group. This on dissociation, it gives only one H plus ion. This is known as monocarboxylic acid. Then what is the dicarboxylic acid? Consider the example. Oxalic acid. This oxalic acid have two carboxylic functional group. This is the first carboxylic functional group. This is the second carboxylic functional group. This on dissociation. This oxalic acid on dissociation, it gives oxalate ion and 2H plus ion. It can donate the 2H plus ion. This is known as dicarboxylic acid. The compound which have two carboxylic functional group or which on dissociation gives 2H plus ion. This acid is known as dicarboxylic acid. In this lecture we have discussed the acid strength of dicarboxylic acid. Generally in dicarboxylic acid the two acid groups are present. This is the first acid group and this is the second acid group. Then what is the acid strength of dicarboxylic acid? As the distance between two carboxylic group increases. Consider the first type of dicarboxylic acid. Then consider the first dicarboxylic acid, the aliphatic dicarboxylic acid. The aliphatic dicarboxylic acid. As the distance between two carboxylic group increases. In dicarboxylic acid, what is the acid strength? In dicarboxylic acid, the two carboxylic groups are present. As the distance between two carboxylic group increases, generally carboxylic group have minus I effect. As the distance between two carboxylic group increases, the minus I effect decreases, and as the minus I effect decreases, the acid strength of dicarboxylic acid decreases. The acid strength of dicarboxylic acid decreases. Then consider the example for aliphatic dicarboxylic acid. We consider the first formic acid. It is a monocarboxylic acid. This formic acid have pK value. This formic acid have pK value 3.77. Consider another dicarboxylic acid. The two carboxylic group are separated by only single bond. The two carboxylic group, it is oxalic acid. Consider the pK value for the oxalic acid. The pK value for oxalic acid is 1.23. The pK value for the oxalic acid is 1.23. Then consider the another acid, acetic acid. It is again monocarboxylic acid. It has pK value 4.76. Consider another dicarboxylic acid, malonic acid. It is an oxalic acid. Then consider this is the dicarboxylic acid, malonic acid. The two acid functional groups separated by one carbon. In this case, two acid functional groups directly attached to each other. Consider this malonic acid have pK value. The malonic acid have Propanoic acid have pK value 4.88. Then consider the succinic acid, the two carboxylic groups separated by two carbons. The carboxylic group, these two carboxylic groups separated by two carbons. Consider its pK value. It has pK value 4.90. It is a succinic acid. Consider in this monocarboxylic acid, generally methyl group have electron donating inductive effect. The formic acid is more acidic than the acetic acid because the formic acid does not have any hydrogen, does not have any effect. The conjugate base of formic acid is more stable than conjugate base of acetic acid. The conjugate base of acetic acid is destabilized by plus I effect of methyl group. The plus I effect of ethyl is higher than methyl. As a plus I effect increases, acidity goes on decreasing. Consider we discussed the acid strength of dicarboxylic acid. We already discussed what is the dicarboxylic acid. The acid which on dissociation gives 2H plus I are generally known as dicarboxylic acid, or the compound which have two carboxylic functional group are known as dicarboxylic acid. We discussed the acid strength of aliphatic dicarboxylic acid. All these are dicarboxylic acid, all these are aliphatic dicarboxylic acid. These contain two carboxylic groups, both are directly attached to each other. In malonic acid, two carboxylic functional groups separated by one carbon, this total 2 bonds. In succinic acid, two carboxylic functional groups separated by 1, 2 and 3 bonds, 2 carbons or 3 bonds. What is the acid strength of dicarboxylic acid? Generally, carboxylic functional group have minus I effect. As a distance between two carboxylic group, this one carboxylic group generally increase the acidity of another carboxylic group by the minus I effect. Carboxylic group have minus I effect. Inductive effect is depends on distance. As a distance between two carboxylic group increases, these two carboxylic groups separated by only single bond in oxalic acid. In malonic acid, two carboxylic groups separated by two single bond. In succinic acid, two carboxylic groups separated by 3 single bond. This as the distance between two carboxylic group increases, the minus I effect decreases, and as the minus I effect decreases, the acid strength decreases. Among these 3 dicarboxylic acid, oxalic acid is the most acidic than malonic acid, and malonic acid is more acidic than the succinic acid. As the distance between two carboxylic group increases, the minus I effect decreases. What is the role of minus I effect? The minus I effect generally helps for the dissociation of acid, dissociation of OH group. As the distance between two carboxylic group increases, minus I effect decreases, and as minus I effect decreases, the dissociation of given acid decreases, the stability of conjugate group decreases, and acid strength goes on decreasing. This is the acid strength of aliphatic dicarboxylic acid. In dicarboxylic acid, two acid functional groups are present. The carboxylic functional group, the COOH group, have minus I effect. As the distance between two carboxylic group increases, minus I effect decreases, and as the minus I effect decreases, the acid strength decreases. Oxalic acid is stronger than malonic acid, and malonic acid is stronger than the succinic acid because as the distance between two carboxylic groups increases, minus I effect decreases, and as the minus I effect decreases, the acid strength decreases. This is the effect of this is the acidity of dicarboxylic acid, aliphatic dicarboxylic acid. The acidity of aliphatic dicarboxylic acid is a depends on the distance between two carboxylic functional group. As the distance between two carboxylic functional group increases, minus I effect decreases. As minus I effect decreases, the acidity goes on decreasing. This is the acid strength of dicarboxylic acid. Then consider the another one, aromatic dicarboxylic acid. Consider the aromatic dicarboxylic acid. The acid strength of aromatic dicarboxylic acid. Then similar to aliphatic dicarboxylic acid, the acidity of aromatic dicarboxylic acid also decreasing in same order. As the distance between two carboxylic group increases, the acidity goes on decreasing. Consider the first, benzoic acid. It is a mono carboxylic acid. Then what is its pK value? The benzoic acid have pK value 4.70. Consider the dicarboxylic acid. This is the ortho dicarboxylic acid. The two acid functional group present at ortho position of 1-2 position to each other. It have pK value. It has pK value 2.80. Then consider the another dicarboxylic acid, 1,3-dicarboxylic acid or meta dicarboxylic acid. The two carboxylic acid functional groups separated by 1, 2, 3 and 4 bond. In this case these are separated by only one bond. In this case these are separated by two bonds. This meta dicarboxylic acid have pK value 3.46. And consider the another one is para dicarboxylic or 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. It have pK value 3.51. Then similar to aliphatic dicarboxylic acid, in aromatic dicarboxylic acid, acid strength decreases with increasing distance between two carboxylic functional groups. All dicarboxylic acids are more acidic than monocarboxylic acid because of, if in monocarboxylic acid there is only one carboxylic functional group is present, but in dicarboxylic acid the two carboxylic groups are present. The carboxylic functional group have minus I effect. The minus I effect of one carboxylic group help for dissociation of another carboxylic group and acidity increases. In dicarboxylic acid the two carboxylic functional group are present. The carboxylic functional group have minus I effect. The minus I effect of one carboxylic group help for dissociation of another carboxylic functional group and acidity increases. Means due to this reason dicarboxylic acids are stronger than monocarboxylic acid. We discuss the acidity trend for aliphatic dicarboxylic acid. In aliphatic dicarboxylic acid, as the distance between two carboxylic functional group increases, the acidity decreases. What is the reason? As the distance between two carboxylic group increases, minus I effect decreases, and minus I effect decreases, the acid strength decreases. The minus I effect has a two role. It helps for dissociation of OH bond, and another one is it helps for stabilization of conjugate base. Similar trend also observed in aromatic carboxylic acid. The ortho dicarboxylic acid is stronger than meta dicarboxylic acid, and which is stronger than para dicarboxylic acid. On the basis of pK value, ortho or 1,2 dicarboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid is stronger. It has pK value 2.80, meta have pK value 3.46, and para have pK value 3.51. If the pK value is small, given compound will be strong acid. As the pK value is high, the given compound should be weak acid. pK value increases from ortho to meta, meta to para. As the pK value increases, the acid strength is decreases. Para or 1,4-dicarboxylic acid are weaker acid than meta, and meta is weaker than ortho-dicarboxylic acid. In ortho-dicarboxylic acid, the two carboxylic functional groups separate by this only one bond. Minus I effect is high. In this case, minus I effect is high. But in this case, it is separated by two bonds. This is the one and this is the second bond. And in this case, it is separated by these three bonds. As the distance between two carboxylic groups increases, the minus I effect decreases. And as the minus I effect decreases, the acid strength goes on decreasing. This is the effect of minus I effect. This is the effect of the distance between two carboxylic functional groups on acidity of dicarboxylic acid. In aliphatic dicarboxylic acid and also in aromatic dicarboxylic acid, acidity goes on decreasing as the distance between two carboxylic functional groups increases. If in dicarboxylic acid you have two acid functional groups, as the distance between two acid functional groups increases, minus I effect decreases. As a minus I effect decreases, the acid strength decreases. This is the acidity of aliphatic dicarboxylic acid and aromatic dicarboxylic acid. Consider the one interesting example of unsaturated dicarboxylic acid. Consider this one example. It is a very interesting example for acidity of aromatic unsaturated dicarboxylic acid. Consider the malic acid. The malic acid, it is unsaturated dicarboxylic acid, is a strong acid than fumaric acid. In first dissociation, the dicarboxylic acid have two acid functional groups. There is a two dissociation occurs. The malic acid is stronger than fumaric acid in first dissociation, whereas in second dissociation, fumaric acid is stronger than the malic acid. What is the reason? Consider this is the unsaturated acid. In these two unsaturated acid, malic acid is a cis acid and fumaric acid is a trans acid. The malic acid is stronger than fumaric acid in first dissociation. After the first dissociation, the dicarboxylic acid have two acid functional groups. It undergoes two dissociation. In the first dissociation, malic acid is stronger than the fumaric acid, but in second dissociation, the fumaric acid is stronger than the malic acid. What is the reason? What is the structure of malic acid? Consider. This is the structure of malic acid. Two acid functional groups. They are present on same side of the carbon-carbon double bond. The cis acid is generally known as malic acid. It is a malic acid. Consider its first dissociation and the pK value of first dissociation. It undergoes the first dissociation. It has pK value 1.92. One of the carboxylic functional group donate the H plus ion, and there is a formation of conjugate base take place. This conjugate base is formed. Then consider the structure of fumaric acid. The two carboxylic functional groups present on different sides. It is a cis and generally it is a trans. The carboxylic functional group present on different side. It is a fumaric acid. It is a fumaric acid. It undergoes the first dissociation. Then consider the first dissociation. In the first dissociation, fumaric acid have pK value 3. It is a pK1, pK1. This in the first dissociation, the malic acid have low pK value 1.92 and fumaric acid have pK value 3. The pK value indicate that in the first dissociation, malic acid is stronger than the fumaric acid. After the first dissociation, fumaric acid gives this conjugate base. There is a formation of this conjugate base like this. Consider the second dissociation of both compounds. Second dissociation. What is the pK2? The pK2 for the malic acid is at 6.23. And consider the second dissociation of fumaric acid, which has pK value 4.38. In second dissociation, fumaric acid have low pK value than the malic acid. This indicate. Then consider these conjugate bases. It undergoes second dissociation. It undergoes second dissociation to give this conjugate base. It also undergoes second dissociation to use this conjugate base. Then what is the reason? Malic acid is stronger than the fumaric acid after the first dissociation, and fumaric acid is stronger than malic acid in second dissociation. There is a two dissociation occurs. The first dissociation, dicarboxylic acid have two functional group, acid functional group. Both functional group undergoes dissociation. The two dissociation occurs. In the first dissociation, it is unsaturated dicarboxylic acid, malic and fumaric acid. These are the geometrical isomer. Malic acid is a cis, two carboxylic functional group present on same side of the carbon-carbon double bond. In fumaric acid, two carboxylic functional group present on opposite side to the carbon-carbon double bond. It is a trans. Trans isomer is known as fumaric acid. In the first dissociation, malic acid is stronger than fumaric acid. What is the reason? The pK value indicate. pK value for first dissociation of malic acid is 1.92 and pK for the fumaric acid is a 3. Malic acid have low pK1 than the pK1 of fumaric acid. This indicate malic acid is strong than fumaric acid in first dissociation. But what is the reason? Because after the first dissociation of malic acid, the conjugate base is formed. Consider this conjugate base. This conjugate base is well stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This conjugate base make hydrogen bonding with another carboxylic group. There is intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and due to this intramolecular hydrogen bonding, conjugate base of malic acid. Which conjugate base? The conjugate base for after the first dissociation. Malic acid on first dissociation, the conjugate base is formed. This conjugate base is well stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and due to this intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the conjugate base of malic acid in the first dissociation is more stable. But such a type of intramolecular hydrogen bonding is not possible in conjugate base of fumaric acid, because this negatively charged oxygen, these two carboxylic group present on opposite side. Hydrogen bonding required, there is a two condition, electronegative and electropositive atom. Electropositive atom is always oxygen, hydrogen atom, and electronegative atom may be oxygen, sulfur and nitrogen. They should be required close to each other. This electronegative oxygen and this hydroxy hydrogen, they are apart from each other. They are anti to each other, they are opposite to each other, and there is a no hydrogen bonding. No hydrogen bonding. Due to this reason, it is a less stable. The conjugate base of fumaric acid after the first dissociation is less stable, but due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, conjugate base of malic acid is a more stable. Due to the more stability of conjugate base of malic acid, it is a stronger acid than the fumaric acid after the first dissociation. But what happened after this in second dissociation? In second dissociation, fumaric acid is stronger than the malic acid. What is the reason? After the first dissociation, the conjugate base of malic acid is stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The second carboxylic hydrogen are involved in hydrogen bonding, and due to this hydrogen bonding, they are not easy dissociate. Their donation are not easy take place. The carboxylic hydrogen involved in intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and due to this reason, its donation, its dissociation is difficult. Their donation is not easy take place. If donation take place, then two negatively charged oxygen atoms are close to each other. Then same charge repulsion occurs. It is unstable. Due to same charge repulsion, conjugate base of malic acid after the second dissociation is very unstable due to the same charge repulsion due to the two oxygen. The first dissociation is difficult. Why? Hydrogen atom is involved in intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and their dissociation is difficult. They are not easy dissociate. If it dissociate, the conjugate base is formed. In this conjugate base, two negatively charged oxygens are close to each other. Then same charge repulsion occurs, and due to this same charge repulsion, conjugate base is less stable. And due to these two reasons, after the second dissociation, fumaric acid are stronger. In the fumaric acid, the carboxylic group when they are away from, there is no intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Its dissociation easy take place. This negative oxygen then negative oxygen, they are opposite to each other. There is no repulsion. There is no intramolecular hydrogen bonding. There is no repulsion of two electronegative oxygen. Its conjugate base of fumaric acid is more stable. The fumaric acid in second dissociation are very easy. Malic acid does not undergo second dissociation easy. It is difficult due to the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Carboxylic OH group involved in the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Its dissociation is difficult. If it dissociates, there is repulsion occurs between two electronegative oxygen, and conjugate base is unstable. But such a type of intramolecular hydrogen bonding and repulsion is not present in second dissociation of fumaric acid, and due to this reason, fumaric acid is stronger than the malic acid in second dissociation. There is a two dissociation. In first dissociation, malic acid will be stronger than fumaric acid because conjugate base of malic acid is well stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and such intramolecular hydrogen bonding is absent in fumaric acid. Due to this reason, in first dissociation, malic acid is stronger than the fumaric acid. But on the other hand, in second dissociation, the second dissociation, fumaric acid is stronger than malic acid because in malic acid, the second carboxylic group involved in hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding, their dissociation is difficult. If it dissociates, the conjugate base is formed. It is a dianion. The two oxygen are close to each other. This conjugate base is unstable. But such a intramolecular hydrogen bonding and repulsion is not possible in second dissociation of fumaric acid, and due to this reason, fumaric acid is stronger than malic acid in second dissociation. Then consider another example. In dicarboxylic acid, we have discussed fumaric and malic acid both. Consider this. This is the dicarboxylic acid. In dicarboxylic acid, the pK1 is always less than the pK2. Means pK2, the pK value for the first dissociation is always smaller than the pK value for the second dissociation. We discuss in malic and fumaric acid. In malic acid, the first dissociation of pK value 1.92, second dissociation of pK value 6.23. Similarly, fumaric acid is dicarboxylic acid. The pK1 for fumaric acid is 3 and pK2 is a 4. Generally 4.38. Means the pK1 is always smaller than the pK2. In dicarboxylic acid, the pK1 is always smaller than pK2. In the pK2, the second dissociation, pK2 is always higher than pK1. What is the reason? In the first dissociation, consider dissociation of this carboxylic functional group. In the first dissociation, this carboxylic, second carboxylic group have the minus I effect. It undergoes dissociation. Consider the pK1. If it undergoes dissociation, produce, there is a formation of this conjugate base take place. But in the second dissociation, or the dissociation of second, this carboxylic group generally have the plus I effect. It generally donate the electron to the second carboxylic group, and due to this reason, in the first dissociation, for this dissociation of first carboxylic group, the second carboxylic group generally help for dissociation because it have minus I effect. One of the, in dicarboxylic acid, two carboxylic functional groups are present, two dissociation occurs. The pK1 is always smaller than pK2 because in the first dissociation, the second carboxylic group generally help for dissociation because it have minus I effect. But after the first dissociation, for in the second dissociation, the another second carboxylic group, which is a conjugate base, which have generally the plus I effect, and plus I effect generally destabilize the conjugate base. After the second dissociation, donation of second H plus I, this conjugate base is formed. This conjugate base is destabilized by the plus I effect of another carboxylic group, and due to this reason, the first dissociation pK value is always smaller than the second dissociation pK value. In this lecture, we discuss the acid strength of dicarboxylic acid, aliphatic dicarboxylic acid, aromatic dicarboxylic acid. In aliphatic dicarboxylic acid and aromatic dicarboxylic acid, as the distance between two carboxylic functional groups increases, the minus I effect increases, the minus I effect decreases, and as the minus I effect decreases, the acid strength is decreases. We discuss also the example of acid strength of fumaric and malic acid. These are the unsaturated geometrical isomers, dicarboxylic acids. In the first dissociation, malic acid is stronger than fumaric acid. On other hand, in second dissociation, fumaric acid is stronger than the malic